Hello and welcome to day 5 of the Mediterranean diet and lifestyle immersion. So yesterday was Super Bowl Sunday and you saw that I did not eat very well, but I wanted to record what I ate anyway because I just wanted to be honest. But my Eagles won the Super Bowl, so woohoo, go Birds! So today we will try to eat a little healthier. I don't know what we're going to do yet, but we're on our way to the farmer's market and probably the supermarket, and I will try to make it healthy and vegetable based. So come along for the day. Making risotto, I like to start by sauteing some shallot. I learned that from a chef in an Italian restaurant. Always start your risotto with some shallot. Then add your rice. You want to let that toast for a second or two. Not long, just warm it up. Add a splash of wine, and we're going to alternate hot water and some seafood stock. These mushrooms separately in a little bit of water just to shrink them down, and so they release their water. I don't want it to release into the rice. I drained the mushrooms. I added in some shrimp and a tiny bit of butter and a little splash of wine. I'm going to fold these into the risotto at the end. Spice this up however you like. Then keep alternating the two liquids until the rice is soft and absorbed. Just keep at it. Stir in some cheese. And welcome to day 6 of the Mediterranean diet and lifestyle immersion. I'm going to start doing these videos in twos because the last one was kind of short, so I figured I'll just cut 2 days together and it'll just be a lot easier for everyone all around. I am on my way to Whole Foods because I like to go shopping there. It's my happy place, but it's 30 minutes away, so I don't go there all the time. And I'm hoping they have some beautiful fish because they do have a nice fish counter, but they don't always have the kind of fish that I like. So cross your fingers for me because I'm looking for like some mackerel or some tilefish or something like that instead of the usual. They always have salmon, they always have tilapia and all that, you know, blah, blah, blah. But you can get that anywhere. But I'm hoping that they have some nice fish. And they also have my favorite decaf coffee, so I'm looking forward to getting that. And they have a beautiful bread section. I just love walking around in there and buying like little fancy things. So come along on the journey. Taking a pit stop for a little breakfast, brunch, lunch, I don't know what I'd call it. That's it. It's in the afternoon now. I'm having a French press coffee, a little tomato soup, and I have a crepe on the way. Fresh flowers in the house. I got these at Whole Foods. Look how beautiful they are. All these colors. Aren't they amazing? Ooh, this one. I might make that my screensaver. if you can see the pretty color of the sky behind me. It's getting to be evening time and we're about to make dinner. So we're making a paella, but sort of, it's not a real paella because we're not making it in a paella pan, but we're making a paella in the oven. I think they call it indoor paella. So we have some chicken legs, some hot Italian sausage, and there's some vegetables and things and rice and broth that goes into it, and it's super delicious. So I'll show you. Bring this to a boil, then we're going to cover it and put it in the oven at 375. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. That's one of my favorite dinners. Just to be clear, I'm not sure if I give you all the instructions. So once you get everything in that pan, put it in the oven. I used to do it at 385, but I have a new oven now and it cooks faster, so I've been doing 375. Let it go for about a half hour and then check it for liquid because you don't want it to dry out. And then give it another 10 minutes, and that's all with the lid on. And then you want to take the lid off, and then you scramble 2 eggs and pour it on top, and then you let it cook with the lid off with the egg on top for another 10 minutes. And then you want to probably, when you take it out of the oven, you probably want to let it sit for about 10 minutes because it's going to be really hot and sizzling and it kind of needs to just settle. I usually serve it with some hot sauce on the side, and it's just a really comforting, spicy kind of just wonderful, like cozy kind of dinner. So I hope you try it. I hope you're enjoying these videos, and please join me tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell if you want to get a notification every time a video goes live. Thanks, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.